Welcome to Wax Off. My name is Robina Rayasat and I'm a hearing aid audiologist. I'll be talking through our earwax removal videos, so let's see some wax. So today I'm going to be talking about skin inside the ears. Now this patient, let's call her Daenerys Targaryen, just because Mother of Dragons and Khaleesi's can also get wax inside their ears that doesn't want to come out. Now, as you can see from the video, as I'm placing the suction probe into the earwax, what looks like a long ribbon, which is actually skin or keratin layers, is coming away from the main blockage of the wax, and it takes on this quite golden colour because it's mixed with all the oils that we produce inside the ears and all the other debris that we have there. But as you can see, as I'm going deeper into the ear canal, the wax is beginning to get more darker orange and even brown. Now these darker colours of wax are produced by something called oxidation, which is a process that happens the longer the wax is there, the darker the oxidation will make the wax. So you can see as we're going down, it's browner. Now, this is the final piece of wax that has been removed from this right ear now. And if we go back in and try to get around the bend in the ear canal, we can see there's a beautiful looking eardrum there. And a beautiful looking eardrum is a happy eardrum. Now we're going on to the left side. Now, Khaleesi didn't have a full blockage on this left side. We could see the eardrum. So I wanted to go in and remove this earwax partial blockage to stop it from becoming a full blockage later on, which can cause things like temporary hearing loss, infections inside the ears. Now, as you can see, I'm tugging at a keratin layer there, which again is a skin layer, and we've managed to get hold of the partial blockage, the main partial blockage which was there. And as we go back in, we can see that there's a little bit of residue there and small pieces of wax which need to be removed. They're held quite closely to the keratin layers as well. As you can see, little bits of keratin coming off too. And our aim isn't to completely remove every piece of residue that is there. Our main aim is to ensure that the wax blockage has been removed. And we're just going back in now. There's a small piece which I saw a little closer to the eardrum, just at the bottom at 6 o'clock, which comes away very nicely. And that's the final shot of the eardrum. Everything looks good there. And thank you so much for watching our video today. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please do like, subscribe and support our channel, and I will see you in the next one.